in this video, we are going to see about how to use the economic calendar for seeing the news. So it is the one of the key important point before getting into a trade. You need to see the fundamental, which is news. So before going to a trade, you must see the news. So in trading, we use the Forex Factory for seeing our news. So go to Google and search for Forex Factory. So this go to this and click this first link. So if you are beginner to this Forex Factory, I will teach you how to set everything for your AC. So first you need to go to the create account. First you need to create your account. So I have created my account. I am putting my email. Okay, username. Next to my password, you can enter something. If anything you do like anything, you can use that password. Okay, say anything. Okay, you can use any password. So next after entering your password and re-enter your password and then create your account. So if everything is correct, okay, now your account has been created. Okay, then I have given my password and I have been mentioned. Okay, just after completing this, let's go to your home page. Okay, now you have created your account, which is called listed trader FX. So my account has been created. Next first step. So in trading view, I use the time frame is New York Times UTC minus 4. I use UTC minus 4 for my trading. So I am ICT trader. I use New York time frame for my trading. Then I go to the setting. I am the India, so I change my setting into related to UTC minus 4. So UTC is minus 4 is taken as GMT minus 4. So I'm searching for GMT minus 4. Eastern time and US and Canada. Okay, set this. So if you are using the New York time zone, you can set like this. GMT minus 4 Eastern time, US and Canada. After that, then you can save this. Next, you can see the Euro, USD, JPP. There are a lot of uses. So you need only what are the type of pair I trade. You know, I trade Euro USD, JPP USD. In last today I uploaded what are the pair I trade. Euro USD, JPP USD, USD JPP, AUD USD. So total 5 types of currency pair. Then go to the filter and check. No, now we need to reduce this low impact use. You need to have high impact news, red color and orange color. These are the high expected news. So this, what are the currency pair news do you need? I don't use CAD and CHF and Canadian dollar. I use Euro, JPY, JPY and 5 currency pair. Next, you can apply this. Now you need to go to the calendar. And then if you are trading every daily, then go and watch the chart. Okay, today what is the date? Okay, now I am not able to photo setting and then change the calendar. And then, okay, Canadian dollar, United Australian dollar, Canadian CHF, the Euro USD, JPY, you total time five trades. Then here apply filter. Then here you come. Today, when I am trading in London session starting 2 a.m. So there is an impact news is GBP USD in 2 a.m. So I have traded these two newses. Now this has been over. In today's session, in 5 o'clock a.m. in New York time, there is a one low impact, which is called medium impact news. So this is the way we need to see. In this week, you can see the tomorrow Wednesday, there is the high impact news in London session, New York session, and Asia section. There are the lot of impact news in this Fed news, CPI news, crude retail sales, so unemployment rate. So in this video, I will teach you about how to use the Forex Factory. Okay, if you have doubt in this, you can ask me to answer short time.